Take a ride in the 2005 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: fog lights, roof rack, inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.